Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the best products out there to help you make smart decisions. Today, we're checking out the best assist bands on the market, the LEEKEY resistance band set. Whether you're training at home, in the gym, or outdoors, this set has become a go-to solution for beginners and fitness enthusiasts alike. Let's explore why. First up, build quality. These bands are made from natural latex. That's important, because it ensures durability, high tensile strength, and long-term wear resistance. These aren't the flimsy bands you'd toss after a few months. They're designed to endure tough workouts, heavy stretches, and serious tension, and they do so without snapping, cracking, or rolling up awkwardly mid-set. One of the standout features here is the upgraded non-slip texture. Each band comes with a checkered anti-slip design that gives it a superior grip. So, even if you're sweating during your set of assisted pull-ups or resistance training, these bands stay in place. You don't need to worry about adjusting them constantly or fearing a snapback during your reps. Now let's talk about the resistance levels. LEEKEY provides a thoughtfully color-coded set of 4 bands. Red offers 15 to 35 pounds of resistance. Black goes up to 65. Purple stretches between 35 and 85. And the Green Beast delivers between 50 and 125 pounds. This range allows you to scale your workouts based on your current strength level and progress gradually over time. From assisted pull-ups to powerlifting movements, stretching, warm-ups, and even basketball resistance drills, these bands cover it all. A huge plus for versatility, these aren't just for building brute strength. If you're recovering from an injury, need to stretch pre or post-workout, or simply want a portable fitness solution while traveling, this set does the job. It fits easily in a small gym bag, weighs next to nothing, and replaces bulky equipment. In terms of design, these bands strike a good balance between functionality and comfort. Even when using the heavier bands like the green one, there's no awkward bulkiness. They stretch smooth and return to form with zero signs of deformation. That matters when you're using them daily. If you've been stuck trying to do unassisted pull-ups or want to make your workouts more dynamic without investing in expensive gym gear, this set might be the upgrade you need. It's affordable, compact, and supports a wide range of workouts. A true full-body training tool. So whether you're building strength, increasing mobility, or just getting started with fitness, the LEEKEY resistance band set delivers. It's well-designed, built to last, and incredibly versatile. That's why we're calling it the best assist band set available today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our next deep dive review. See you next time with another top-rated product worth your attention.